Okay, you guys, looks like we got a crow in the neighborhood trying to take over. I don't think he likes my cats. Anyway, I got a couple more things for my, this is Chris Lambert. First of all, want to welcome you back to my unboxing videos. And we got a couple more things for Marylin Thornhill. I didn't like the blouse that I got. It wasn't enough like the one in the movie, so I got this one from the Wednesday Netflix TV series 2022. So this is the blouse I've got. I thought it was white. It's kind of a off-white or beige color, which is okay. But it's got the flowers on it. They're not blue, but they're black. So that's fine. Now let's see. I felt like she needed another prop, and I want to do some more action scenes because that's what allowed us to win last time, was action scenes from the movie, or which I'll try and do this time if I can get this box apart. So the prop I wanted to get was a plant, and I couldn't find the type of plant I wanted. I wanted a large Venus flytrap, but nobody sells those so far that I can find, so I settled for this, which people say does not come assembled. You have to assemble it and put it in a pot yourself. So let's see what people are talking about here. Okay, so there it is. It looks like it actually has screws on it, but threads on it, and it feels like it's made out of that resin, which I don't care for resin. It can break. Put this down a little bit. So, and then we have the plant itself, which, yeah, it looks pretty cool. So what we've got to do is we got to find a pot and, you know, put this together, screw this together. I see that's where it screws in at. So this part screws into here, and then you got a couple branches with leaves. So yeah, that's okay. So she has one of her, evil looking plants is what we were looking for. So that'll be a nice prop for our Halloween costume contest for Marylin Thornhill from the Wednesday Netflix TV series from 2022. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, click on the bell if you want to see more of these videos, so you'll be notified when they come out. I have more coming out. I have more characters coming out. So this is Chris Lambert, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.